welcome back to my channel. I am very sorry that I haven't made a video in a long time. So sorry. As you know, I go to school, so today we're going to show you 20 secret tips that you can do on your computer. Um 20 secret tips that you didn't know. I don't know if you know it or not, but let's start. Okay, so if you open Spotify, okay, and type THX1138, you will see this lightsaber. As you can see, this lightsaber down here come on comes on any song that you actually put. See, as well, you go to the song. uh, the lightsaber it gets taller, and if you click on the lightsaber it will change a color and the lightsaber will change, as you can see. um and yeah, there's a lot of nice lightsabers. Okay, let's go to the next tip. Okay guys, do you see this line bar here? Okay, if you click Windows and type and choose a number like 4 or 3, it will actually open the fourth or the third app that is on your line bar. As you can see, you want maybe 10, just type 10 and actually it will open, or 11 and it will open, um and 9, it will open 9, and click 9 again, 8, and it will open 8, as you can see. So that's also very good tip. So here you can't type um 11, so don't start like you start from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. No, this is 0. Okay, you start from here actually: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 10, you don't click 10, you click 0. Okay, so as I say, here you can't click 10. Okay, you click 0. Okay, so you click Windows and the number that you want, like 0, and it will open the app that you that the number that you chose. Okay, let's go to the next tip. Okay, for this tip I actually needed to show you my apps. Okay, I mean, you don't need to know this, but if you click the left button on your mouse, it will show you not view. Choose new and click on shortcut. Okay, type the shortcut slide to shut down. Okay, and don't click name and type dot, and the E will be capital but XE will be small. Okay, as you can see, I want it like this and like that, and click finish to create the shortcut. As you can see, here's the shortcut. Here's the shortcut, so let's click on it. When you click on it, it tells you slide down to shut down BC, but we actually don't want to slide down to shut our BC because we're making a video. And you can actually type it whatever you want, like shut shut, and then when you click it, it will shut down. Okay, as you can see, or um we can name it, let's see what we can name it. Anything you want, like let's name it secret button, so nobody knows. Okay, and that's it. You can actually even choose a icon for it. Okay, so you will click properties and change icon, but you can't choose or anything. I mean, you can choose the rubbish bin, secret button, and yeah, you can hide this wherever you want, like in a folder. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Let's finish and let's go to the next step. Oh, one thing before I continue, you can actually use this for websites also. Okay. Okay. Fourth tip. I wish I actually knew it. Actually, I wish I knew it. Okay. So as you can see, I opened YouTube. That like this. So I close it, okay? I mean, with a mistake, okay? So in mistake, so you click Control Shift T, and it will actually open the the same YouTube that you closed, and it will actually open it for you again if you closed it by mistake. So Control Shift T, and it will actually open the page that you closed. Okay, let's go to the next tip. Okay, so fifth tip, if you click Windows and L, you will go to the lock screen, but I'm not going to go to the lock screen. I'm not going to try it because I am recording a video, so I'm not going to use it. You're going to use it. So you want to go to lock screen so fast, so you just click Windows L, so then you can go to the lock screen. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so the next step, I also need the app. So if you go to any app like Microsoft Edge, okay, and click on the left button, okay, left button, and go here to properties, and open properties, and click shortcut. After you click shortcut, you will go down. You will find shortcut key nothing. Okay, so basically what I want you to do is click on any letter you want so you can open it. Okay, he will choose one for you, but actually you click on a letter, maybe Y, and it will tell you Control Alt Y. Okay, so actually it will happen if you click apply, and you don't need this. Just click continue, apply. Okay, when you click Control Alt Y, as you can see, it opens the Microsoft Edge thing, the app that Microsoft, and you can actually use it in on any app. Okay, so let's go to the next tip. But if you click Control Shift and Escape, it will open the Task Manager. As you can see, the Task Manager. Okay, so let's go to the next tip. Okay, so the next step, if you open settings, okay, as you can see, settings, and type mouse settings, go down to my mouse pointer. As you can see, you can choose the color of the mouse pointer style. You can click on the black, on the inverted, and on custom. When you click custom, um, yeah, you can click on custom. It will lag a little bit, and you can choose the size of the mouse, as you can see, size, but it will lag a little bit. Oh yeah, that's all. That's the next tip. Okay, let's go to the next secret tip. Okay, if you're on any tab and you just want to close it fast, just click Control W, and you will close that tab. As you can see, click Control W will close the tab. Okay, let's go to the next secret tip. Okay, so now we're going to use the things that you can do with Windows, with the Windows button. Okay, so first thing first, if you click on the Windows button, and okay, so if you click Control Windows O, it will open the natural keyboard, and it will make a very weird sound. And yeah, that's the tip. And the next tip is that if you click on Control Shift N, it will make a new folder. As you can see, a new folder. So Control Shift N, Control Shift N. It will make a new folder. Um, let's go to the next step. Okay, so the last and the final tip, if you click on the Windows dot button, it will open the emoji section, and they are GFI. You can, you can look on anyone you want, and there's the things that you copied, um actually a lot of nice things, emojis, a lot of nice things. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video on my next video, I will show you how to make this nice wallpaper background for your screen. And I hope you enjoyed my video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and share this to other people so other people can understand and use these tips. Okay, if you want anything, please type in the comments, and bye.